So our game is going to be played by the player collecting the angels, jumping the large platforms, finally landing onto this platform where the rain of fire is going to fall down, and then he needs to run to the end and touch the soldier. Okay. One thing that we need to add to our game is that when the character touches this platform, we need to reset our gravity back to what it was. Okay, so let's go ahead and touch this platform here, or the spawn location. Go into the script. Okay, so this script is going to do that. It already sets it. And it also sets the camera mode to classic. Okay, that's good. But let's go ahead and add to our script. Okay, and so since we already are dealing with leader stats here in spawn 9 script, let's just go ahead and add to this one. And what we want to do is we want to set our hasangel variables, right, on leader stats back to false. And why do we want to do that? Because let's assume that we don't. Okay, we land on this platform, hasangels are true for all 4 of them. That's the only way you can get here because you need that jump power. You go and touch the soldier, you press click to start again. You get warped over to the beginning of the game to spawn location number 1, and you start over. And you're trying to minimize your number of deaths. So let's say you took 100 deaths to finish the game the first time. Now you're trying to get half of that. You're trying to get 50 deaths. You go along, you're doing well, you're going through the balls, you get into the maze, and the maze has no angels in it so that you can get your jump power. And why doesn't it not have any angels in it? It's because we never reset hasangels to be false once he lands on this platform and is about to end the game. Okay, so that's why we need to go ahead and set hasangels equal to false when he touches this spawn location, right? For when he restarts the game and goes into the maze. That's why we need it. So let's come back over here. Let's go to spawn _9 script, and we'll set it right here. We'll say player dot leader stats dot hasangel _1 is equal to false, and we're going to do this for all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this here, paste it 3 more times, and change it to angel 2, angel 3, and angel 4. And now I'm going to look over my leader stats and see if there's any other values that we should reset before starting the game again. So we have hasangels, we're resetting those back to false. The team color, yeah, we should be okay with that at the moment. And yep, everything else looks fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and test that one out. Okay, we are currently have, I believe, 2 angels worth of jump power. So I'm going to go ahead and warp to this location here by changing my leader stat script to be set to fossil. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to change this from really black to fossil, and I'm going to test to see if that actually works. And let's go and run this. We should see our rain of fire, and I'm going to go into the console to check to see what my hasangel values are. Okay. Okay, so that did not work according to plan. Let's come back over to here. We set them to fossil. Let's play again. Okay, so here we are, and our fireballs are raining. I'm going to press FN F9, go to the server, and I'm going to print game.players.dlee smusd dot leader stats dot hasangel _1 dot value, and it should be hasangel is true. Okay. Okay, so the problem that I had is that I did not use hasangel.value on any of these. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this again. This is an error that is very commonly made, so you want to make sure you double check that every single time. And then now let's play it and see if it works. Okay, here we are. Another way to check, instead of going into the console, is you can also come up here to players once it loads. Okay. So it's kind of slow in loading. So I guess I do need to check in the server. So I'm going to press function F9. Go to server and print out game.players.dlee smusd leader stats .has angel _1 .value, and it's false, right? So good. It's working, and we can go ahead and move on to the next task.